This is what you get when you purchase the DCT output flange. The flange itself and high tensile bolts with washers. Features and benefits with the HPR DCT output flange. The flange itself is a CNC machine to a high grade of 4140 steel, then hardened and surface treated. It's also machined tooth on the flange itself for external pickup if required. The splines have been machined a little touch looser than the OE. As it's an interference fit, this flange will be easier to fit than the original flange. For the installation of the prop shaft on the flange, you have a few different patterns to use. For all custom prop shafts, you have the 375-inch pitch circle diameter, which has a split of 60 degrees. And you also have a pitch circle diameter to suit both Nissan and Toyota pitch circle diameters. Optional is the spacer ring that's suited for the Nissan and Toyota prop shafts. When installing the HPR DCT output flange, you need to use a proper 3-arm puller in order to pull off the OE flange. The OE flange sits with an interference fit, so it's quite tight to pull off. We recommend to heat this flange if it doesn't slide directly on in order to get it easier onto the axle. Remember to use light-duty thread locker for the threads when torquing down the OE nut. This is to seal between the splines on the axle and the flange itself.